back, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to revive your orchid. As you can see, all the orchids are dead. All the leaves are falling off. So you guys want to remove out of the vase, and then you need to take out all those plastic and the mulch that's inside the orchid, and then you want to trim out all the dead roots, like this dry roots. Okay, so let's go ahead and then do that, and we're gonna soak it in the water after we remove the mulch, and then cut out all the dead roots. As you can see, this one is sticking out, and it still looks fresh, and cut out all the dead one and dry one. So we're going to remove each orchid out of this plastic. And I'm going to trim out all the nasty. I'm going to remove all the mulch. Because if too much mulch like this, the orchid cannot breathe properly. So and you don't want the root to be rotted like that, turn into that brownish color. It's supposed to be like this greenish color like that, but as you can see, these roots are totally dead, need to be trimmed off or cut it off. Normally, orchid they live like this, bare on the forest, by the tree trunk or tree root. So you can use a scissor. I got this nail clipper for the pet. I'm just gonna trim it off. You want to trim out all the dry root. So that should be good, and then you want to put it back in the with the fresh mulch. or it could be like a rocks or whatever. Alright, and after that I'm gonna dip this in the water. Let's soak in there for a while. And with this, you could always put the new mulch in here and put the orchid food in there, mix it up real nice. And normally the orchid they live about 50 to 100 years, depending on how you take care of them. Because my wife keep on buying it and then I keep on throwing it away. I say that's a waste of money, so I did some research. So we'll keep you guys updated. So that's how you prune your orchid. You might want to drill some more holes here because only one hole on the bottom. I don't think the orchid can breathe. You know, all the water just stay there and it's gonna rot all the roots if you water too much or something like that. All right. So that's how you prune your orchid. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below if you guys have any different ideas on how to prune your orchid. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.